Let's go, YouTube. YouTube, we back with another video, and we back to show y'all an unboxing. What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, back with another video. Check it out. We just got this in today. A package from Wahl. I know what it is, but let's go ahead and open this up so y'all can see what's in the box. Let's go. All right, baby, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's put this in a big box. Let's go. Check that out right there. That came in the box. But this right here, y'all can't see because it's wrapped up. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right. The Wahl Hi-Viz trimmer. All in the details, baby. Check that out, man. I see what y'all doing, Wahl. Y'all got some nice packaging going on here, but let's go ahead and open this up. Check that out. The Wahl Hi-Viz trimmer, all in the details. Let's check this out, man. Precision in full view. Designed with a slim neck, the Hi-Viz trimmer provides enhanced visibility so you can deliver the perfect lines and intricate designs. Runs cooler, lasts longer. Diamond-like carbon-coated blade, so it's gonna stay cooler and it's gonna stay sharper longer. Adaptive speed control provides perfect power through all hair types to ensure a clean hit with every pass. Assembled by hand in the USA. America. Comfort in every curve. All metal and well-balanced, the comfort curve design makes a full day's work a lighter fit. All right, let's check this out. As y'all can see, we got the Hi-Viz trimmer, all metal body. We got a T-blade on there. Check that out, man. Let's turn this on for y'all. Nice and quiet, but feels powerful, man. It actually feels really powerful. So here are my detailers. Feels about the same, give or take. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a little bit stronger, or at least it may feel a little stronger, but it seems quiet. I'm really liking that quiet hum that this motor has on it. We got the Hi-Viz branding right here, as you can see. We got the charging plug, and then you can also do the USB-C charging. So like I said in one of my videos previously, a lot of companies are moving more towards, not more towards, but they're also adding the USB-C charging, as y'all can see. So that's pretty dope. We got the 3 LED light indicator. Might be blinking, I may need to charge it up, but let's go back into this box and see what else we got underneath all this stuff right here. All right, so we'll take that out. And as you can see, we got some more compartments in here. Let's open this box up first. All right, let's see what comes in here. All right, so it does come with a charging brick. Here is the side that plugs into the clipper or trimmer, my bad. Plug that in like so, or no, this way. Yeah, you plug it in there, plug this into the wall, let it charge up. Let's see what else we got in here. So then we got another box right here. Let's open this up, see what comes in this one. And I dropped the brush. It was just a fade brush, no big deal. All right, so we got the operating manual. We ain't gonna look at. Comes with a Pro Set tool. That way, if you want to set your blade, you can look at that and read it. Here is the blade. Oh no, that's not the blade set. That's to charge it. My bad. This is to charge the clipper. So it does come with a charging dock also. So as you can see, here's the dock. Place this on here. Oh, you know what? I wonder if I can place this in their the Wahl charging base that they have. I think you can. Yeah, I think you can place this. If you already have a Wahl charging base, I think you can place this in there also, because it looks really similar to the way the other charging base looks. But you just pop it in like so, boom, it's in there. So you can plug the charger straight into here and set the clipper on here. You know, a lot of people like charging docks. So as y'all can see, it does come with a nice charging dock, as y'all see here. Let's see what else we got. And then we got one more box inside of the box that was inside of the box. All right, so I just dropped the blade cover, but yeah. So we got some oil right here, and then we have the Wahl zero gap setter if you wanted to zero gap your Wahl trimmer. I'm probably gonna use it straight out the box. It looks gapped pretty close, well, pretty good at least. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but it's gapped pretty good off the jump. Not bad, man. All right, but yeah, so that's what comes in the box. We got the trimmer, we got the charging dock, we got the charger, you know, some other stuff like the fade brush and stuff like that. But we ain't really concerned with that. We're just really concerned with this and the charging dock and the charger, and that's really it. But with that being said, once again, check it out, the Wahl 5-star Hi-Viz trimmer. You know what it is, man. Your boy's gonna put this thing to use, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Let's go. All right, man, so y'all see it. We got the new Wahl Hi-Viz trimmer. We're gonna see how this thing balled out, man. So I know a lot of people were talking about this trimmer, saying that it wasn't gonna be good, that it's the same thing as the Wahl detailers, if not worse. But I don't know, man. This thing's been working pretty good. I got a couple haircuts done with it. Recorded a few for y'all. But I'm actually liking it, man. It does well with bulk, does well with lines. Haven't even zero gapped it. Haven't had to. I mean, let's be honest, man. Y'all see how this thing clearing out this bulk. You know, we wanted to come down with it and setting the line this way. Y'all see it though, man. It's working. So as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new Wahl Hi-Viz trimmer. Got a little bit of hair on it. You know, your boy's been rocking with it. And I'm gonna say this right now. I'm honestly impressed with Wahl with this trimmer. I know a lot of people were hating on it when I posted this on my Instagram page a while back. I was at the Texas Barber Expo and they had them for display, and I showed it on my Instagram, and a lot of people were like, "Oh, it's the same thing as the Wahl detailer. You know, it's not gonna be different. It's just a different body." But I don't know, man. If y'all been seeing the video, y'all see this thing was eating. Not saying that the Wahl detailer don't eat, because the Wahl detailer does eat. The Wahl detailer is a solid tool. But I don't know, man. This one, I feel that it hits a little harder. Like, I feel that Wahl got them a hitter with this one. You know, it does come with a different style blade, as y'all can see, and I wasn't quite sure how I felt about it at first. You know, I typically like the, you know, the bigger, wider blades, but I felt that this one worked good. To me, it felt that it was like a little more precise, just, you know, a little more precise when it came to making them lines, and this is just my opinion once again, guys. You know what I'm saying? You can listen to it, you can not. I'm just giving y'all my opinion. But like I was saying, man, when I was using this blade, I just felt that it was really precise, knocked down the hair easily. You know what I'm saying? Whether it was long hair or short hair, I could just eat through that hair when I was using this to put lines in. And even balding out, it balded out really good. Just by the shape of it and like the way the blade looks, I thought it was gonna bog down when it came to debulking. However, that wasn't the case at all, at least not with mine. You know what I'm saying? I was easily balding out. I mean, y'all seen it in the video. I was lining up, balding out, doing all that good stuff, and this thing worked really good. And one thing I do wanna add about this trimmer is the motor. It's got like an automatic speed adjustment, so when you get through like thicker hair, more coarser hair, this motor does kick up a notch. You know, you feel it turn on a little higher, you feel it just powering through this thicker, longer hair. I don't know what makes it do that, you know what I'm saying, how it knows, but I just wanted to let y'all know, because I know people were asking me on my Instagram about that, but it does come with a motor that does adapt to the style of hair, and it does give you slightly higher RPMs when you're going through that bulk. It is an all metal body, as you can see. Makes it a little heavier than the Wahl detailer, but not much, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, this is the Wahl detailer and this is the Hi-Viz. So it is a little thinner, but it's longer, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, it's longer, and that may be, it feels a little weird in your hand at first, you know, because typically I like to hold my trimmers like right here when I'm lining up, and with this one, it feels kind of weird because of this groove right here and the way this back groove is right here. So it's like, it feels weird at first, but once you find that proper positioning for your hand, you know, that proper hand placement for your hand, I think it works good, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, the ergonomics may not be the best in my opinion, but once you get used to it, that's not an issue at all. It is an all metal body. The only thing that I don't like about the all metal body is, as y'all can see, well, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's already got like a couple scratches on there, just from me, you know, using it, putting it down, I don't want to say careless with it, because I always put it back in its charging dock, but you know, just putting it down when I was in a rush or whatever, it's got a little bit of scratches on it. And then with my ring, you know, my rings hit it when I'm using it. So that may be a reason why I got scratched also. But other than that, man, like I said, I think it's a solid tool. Just in case y'all were wondering, that charging dock that Wahl sells that has 3 spots, you can actually take the charging dock from the Hi-Viz and put it in there. That way you can put it with your seniors, your detailers, your magic clips, or whatever. If you want to have 3 on there, like I said, you can put this one on there. But once again, it does come with a charging dock, and you can use that charging, I don't know, the charging insert and put it in the other Wahl charger. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, you know, my bad, whatever. With that being said, man, pretty solid tool. Really enjoyed rocking with it. I'm gonna keep using this. I'm gonna keep this in the lineup. I know I got a bunch of tools still in my lineup that I've been using. People are like, bro, we need a video of your favorite trimmers. That's coming soon, but the fact that I just got a lot of new tools, it's gonna be a little harder for me, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna keep putting them to the test, and I'm gonna bring y'all a video of my favorite trimmers and clippers coming soon. So if you are interested in purchasing the new Wahl Hi-Viz, you can go to the website, wahlpro.com. They have it on their website for $199. So $200, and you can get this piece of equipment right here. Like I said, I'm really enjoying this equipment. So I think for $200, it's a solid tool. It's not the best price, but it's not the worst either. You know what I'm saying? I don't think that's a bad price, but I know it's not a great price either. But for, you know, $200, you can have the new Wahl Hi-Viz, and you can see how it works, man. I'm enjoying it. And once again, guys, if you do decide to purchase this from wahlpro.com, you can use my discount code TANK10. That way you do save yourself a little bit of money. I know also some barber supplies are going to start having these trimmers in stock. So if you are interested and you don't want to go to wahlpro.com and you rock with FW Barber Supply a lot, like how I do, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and use my discount code TANK10 on their website as soon as they get it. And you might get it a little cheaper. I don't know if it's going to be a lot cheaper, but you may get it a little cheaper at fwbarbersupply.com. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.